Is it alright to use the same moisturizer on your face and on your body? Can you use your body lotions on your face too? I did a detailed research on this. Let me elaborate a bit on this. Given that there are innumerable options available in the market, no one needs to use the same moisturizer actually on the face and body. But there are certain times when the situation demands the same, like you are extremely busy handling your life, or maybe you are traveling and you don't want to carry tons of products with you, and so on. There are certain facts that you need to know so that you can understand when and if you should use the same moisturizer on face and body or not. Our facial skin is thinner, more sensitive, and has more sebaceous glands. That's why it is more prone to irritation and breakouts than our body. Our body skin is thicker, drier than our face. Naturally, body lotions often contain heavier emollients and occlusives, which can clog facial pores and can lead to breakouts. This is one of the main reasons why you shouldn't use body lotions on your face. But we can still use a few moisturizers on our face and body. How's that possible? These are typically fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and formulated with ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide that support the skin barrier. If you have normal to dry skin, which is also sensitive, you can still use these moisturizers on your face and on your body as well. Let me suggest you 4 best moisturizing creams for this purpose. Number 1. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. It contains 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid. It helps restoring the skin barrier and provides deep hydration to the skin. Number 2. Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. It is formulated with niacinamide, which is also known as vitamin B3, panthenol, that is provitamin B5, and hydrating glycerin that helps improving skin's barrier and texture and retains moisture for long hours. Number 3. Bioderma Atoderm Creme Ultra. This cream stimulates hyaluronic acid and ceramides production on the skin, strengthens skin barrier, and also has niacinamide, omega-3, omega-6, omega-9. If you have eczema-prone skin, this cream definitely helps soothing the skin and provides ultimate nourishment. Number 4. Venusia Moisturizing Cream by Dr. Reddy. This is enriched with squalane, aloe vera, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It helps recovering the skin from dryness and irritation and also prevents water loss. All of these creams are excellent to try on your face if your skin type is dry to extra dry and sensitive as well. These work their best if you live in colder areas during the winters and also during the dry summers too. For body, you can easily opt for this throughout the year. Skincare is supposed to be simple, fun, and stress-free. So go easy on yourself and enjoy the process. Take care.